Today I am in Grassland's Golf and Country Club community, and I am in the neighborhood called Sanctuary within Grasslands, and I have a spectacular golf home, 3 bedrooms, 3 baths, and it's almost 4,000 square feet, and it is absolutely stunning, and I would love to give you a private tour at my open house today. But first, there's a lot of preparation involved, getting the MLS sheets together. And Jock is making homemade chocolate chip cookies for the open house. This time we're going to use coconut flour instead of almond flour. So this is what Grassland's Golf and Country Club community looks like when you first drive in. It's centrally located in Lakeland, Florida. Look how beautiful it is. But first, I got to get all my open house signs, so I had to stop at my office and get them all in, and they get caught on my sweater, and I can never get them in right. It's such a pain in the butt, but it's worth having the open house sign so everybody knows where to go. This was difficult. If you don't have them lined up, it gets really hard for them to get in the car. How are you doing?
I'm doing great.
Okay, the open house signs are all up, and now I want to give you a quick tour of what the Grasslands Golf and Country Club clubhouse looks like. It's absolutely stunning. It just got renovated all last year, and of course membership is separate now, and wait till you see the inside. It's just absolutely gorgeous. I've been a member here since 1992, I think, or 94 when it first got built. Some of the employees here are still here after all those years. Look at the dining room. It's just absolutely breathtaking, especially the view. I always ask to sit by the window, but they're always reserved. Look how beautiful that is. And it's just so peaceful here and just absolutely gorgeous. Look at the travertine flooring, the marble flooring, just so pretty. And now down here is the grill room, and this is for informal dining, and here is the pool now. Look at the pool, how beautiful it is. They have a lifeguard on duty in the summertime. They have a kiddie pool here too. Then the tennis is unbelievable. They're clay courts, and there's like 9 or 10 of them. And they have pickleball. Okay, so this is the house, 3000 Sanctuary Circle, Lakeland, Florida. And this is in the beautiful Grasslands Golf and Country Club community. And I'm all set up for my open house. And this kitchen is just so beautiful. And look how open the floor plan is. And I have the pocket doors open for the door area. And of course I had to try the cookie that Jock made, and they are kind of crunchy but good. Okay, look at this backyard view. So this has the golf view, the 15th hole, 16th hole, 17th hole, and then it's on a water view. And look at this landscaping that the sellers put in, and the curbing. It's just absolutely beautiful.